in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create a checkbox related question on a Google form. So if you want to allow multiple answers to a question, basically, I'm going to show you guys how to set that checkbox option up. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Google form if it's not already open. And then on the right panel, select a little circle with a plus in it that says add a question. And then where it says multiple choice, click the drop down and you want to select checkboxes. And then you can input all of your options in here. Just click the little box next to them to give you different options. And then people will be able to check mark multiple ones as they answer them. And that's pretty much it. You can put images on here as well, and you can also embed videos too. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.